Sabi niya, teka, tatakbo ako eh, wala tayong destiny. We have no destination, I can turn. The taxi driver said, just go. I will tell you the street if I see that street. And he said, oh, my goodness. We're going Quezon City doon, Quezon City. You know Miss Pilita Corrales? He said, yeah, I've seen her on the TV. But I don't know where she stay. Ah, you will know that. Because if you go Quezon City, I might see the street, that is the street. Then she said, wow, Day, curfew ko alas 5. But the emitter is on already, we were running already. And then I said, Dong, this is the good idea. Because we went to UP already, and he's already here somewhere in New Manila. He said, Day, this is far away. You know where Quezon City? Sabi, yeah, I stay there, Quezon City. He said, but Day, we are in UP. What is UP?